Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by building the cloud silhouette so you can shape it precisely. Draw an 800 by 600 frame, then place 3 to 5 overlapping circles with the ellipse tool, vary sizes to avoid symmetry. Once done, align and distribute them visually, not perfectly. Clouds are organic. Make sure to set fills now, using a soft linear or radial gradient for depth, and remove strokes so edges blend. This initial cluster becomes the base you'll refine into a single cloud form. Once the base exists, you refine it into a convincing cloud by converting overlapping circles into a single vector and sculpting depth. Combine them with union or flatten, then edit vector points to soften bumps, pull handles for smooth curves. After that, add volume, inner shadow for weight, subtle layer blur for softness, and multiple gradient stops to simulate light falloff. Make sure to mask highlights with a white shape at low opacity, so the bright edges read naturally without hard lines. To finish, organize the cloud into a component so you can reuse variations quickly. Export as SVG for crisp scaling or PNG for raster use. Make sure to tweak opacity and gradient stops at the end so the cloud sits well on your background. Small changes matter. If the form looks flat, add a faint inner shadow or a soft white highlight. If edges appear jagged after export, increase corner radii slightly or apply a 0.5 to 2 px blur and re-export. That usually fixes artifacts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.